That's funny. That is so funny.
I feel bad you wasted so much wrapping paper.
I can't believe you did
Oh
this.
my god.
I cannot believe you're so clever.
You're really adorable. My mom never wrapped stuff for me at all. I had a terrible childhood. Mom, you gave me stuff held behind your back that was in a ShopRite bag.
Or sometimes I wrapped it in aluminum foil.
Only once. Even that was better than nothing.
Oh, this is so funny.
Oh my gosh, you have the cutest wrapping paper.
I just cannot believe this.
Where did you get all this wrapping paper?
Oh.
I wish we had a tree that this could have been on
This is so funny.
Wait, this one's wrapped differently.
Why is that wrapped
I
different?
don't know. I'm so confused.
Ooh. Oh no, there's some wrapping paper. I thought that was the end of it and that was the present. Wait, no, that's not. No. Is that a garbage bag?
You'll only be on here if you're talking.
I don't believe it. You are so creative, Robin. It's going to take you 5 hours.
Oh my god. I wish Dad was here.
Jeff, you're missing this.
I didn't realize you used like a whole roll. This makes up for like all my life when you never wrapped anything.
Oh my god. She wrapped this like 20 times.
Wow.
It's amazing.
I hope you're shooting a video, right?
She is.
Good.
Look at this. Yeah, you should have been here from the start. It was amazing. Then I thought
I'm getting closer. Wait, I'm here.
Oh. Are you sure you're here? You may not
There's
be.
probably 6 boxes inside of that one.
I was thinking that. Do I need a scissor?
Maybe. This is so funny. Jeff, you should have seen it. She even wrapped it in a garbage bag, and I thought, okay, that's the end of it. And there was more.
Is there anything in it?
No, there's nothing in it.
You're so adorable.
Oh, God, that's perfect.
Is there one or are there more? Should I keep digging? Should I not? How am I supposed to know? You're not going to answer?
You know what would be great if your fiancé proposes to you and he puts
Like
the
this?
engagement ring in the corner machine thing. That would be great. It's a
Is there one or should I keep on? Robin.